What's up, y'all? Welcome back to District Bullion. This video is brought to you by Alexandra Gold and Silver. Today we got a special treat for y'all. We are unboxing 48 ounces of gold. All right. Let me move this over here. So right now, as we are unboxing this, or as I'm unboxing this, I'm gonna ask y'all and announce some things to y'all. Number one, we're actually thinking about opening up an online retail shop. Oh God, these things they do not play when it comes to boxing these joints up. Yeah, that's fine. Be good right there. But yeah, what do y'all think about us doing that? We were just thinking about opening up starting a online retail store. We're thinking about actually competing with the big boys over there. Some people say it's a good idea. Some people think it's a terrible idea. Just want to get the viewers' opinions about it. And this is actually no joke. This is our first 24 ounces. These are actually the 2020 Jones. I'm actually really surprised. The maples. Nice, very nice. I don't know if y'all have actually seen these before, but these ones right here. There we go. They always pack these in the weirdest ways too, man. There is 10 of them in each. These are always adorable. But yeah, man. Right now I'm gonna bring you to Lamont. And then he's gonna tell you our second announcement. Right here.
Also, guys, we're thinking about starting another segment of our channel, going off a little bit of a bullion and helping first-time investors. So if you're looking to learn how to invest, maybe you've never invested before, you want to get into cryptocurrency, or you want to get into the stock market, or maybe you just want to learn, and maybe you already are doing it and you just want to see different strategies. So definitely something new that we're thinking about starting. If you guys think it's a good idea, please go ahead and comment. Smash that like button. If you guys, if it seems like a good idea and people who are actually watching our channel like it, then we will definitely go ahead forward and start doing some more investing videos as well as doing gold videos. And yeah, back to Jason, go ahead and unboxing these coins.
What are these? These are actually the kangaroos. These look like, oh, these are the new 2021 kangaroos. Oh, we got real fancy with this order, son. How many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10. That's 12. So this should be another 24. So that's 2 over there. And this is another 10. Ah, they didn't put the wrapper on this one. Or the tape on this one. Oh, nice. These are just the, what year are these? Oh, these are the 2011s. That's cool. I don't know if y'all know about Maples, but Maples, I think it was the 2004s or the 14s. They actually have an issue with them. But yeah, man, I don't know if y'all actually have seen this much gold before. I have never seen so much gold in my life before. But please, like Lamont said, like, comment, subscribe. And also, here's a little close-up. Let me put it the 2021s. But yeah. Let us know. Peace.